We'll guide you through how to change the Apple ID without losing everything. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you wanted to go and change the Apple ID and you don't want to go and lose everything. Perhaps somebody else is wanting to go and use their Apple ID on here. Just be aware they are going to be able to go and access the data still, so do consider that. You want to go and open up the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see here, it is just on the home page. You can always drag down and then search for it, but tap on it to open it up. Then you can come to the top and you can go and see your account and you want to go and tap on it there. So I want to go and change this and keep everything. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down and go and press sign out. It's important to note if there is restrictions on this device, you won't. They'll need to go and be turned off in the screen time settings and turn off the passcode there. But the sign out's available, so we can go and continue. Tap that there. Now, this is really important. Erase this iPhone after signing out. If you press erase this iPhone, everything is going to go and be factory reset. So consider that. We want to go and do this without losing everything. So press sign out, but don't erase. Then you can go down and press continue. It does say anyone with access to the device will be able to go and access your data. That's fine. I'll press continue. I'll press continue anyway. Then what we can do is go and see the items that are going to be removed and press continue. Now we can go and confirm the password. So type that in, press the tick, and now you can see we're signing out. So go and wait for this to go and complete. It shouldn't go and take too much longer. Now what you can do is go to the top and press Apple account, and the other Apple account can now go and be signed in and it'll be changed to that. So you could press sign in manually or use another device. That's it. Hopefully you've been successful.